Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can edit your WordPress site through cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now, cPanel is a bit different than WordPress. cPanel is a server-side website management system, or GUI, which is Linux-based, which is used just to make your site management more efficient, whereas WordPress is more of the front-end functionality side of things, and it does have some databases in it, so it does have some back-end, but it's pretty much just a site builder where you can add different functionalities and add-ons. However, what you can do through cPanel is you can use the site builder. However, for this, you're going to need to go ahead and install the WordPress toolkit for cPanel, and the way you do this is you just need to go into cPanel Home and then Domains and then WordPress Toolkit, and the interface will appear. You just need to click install WordPress, and once that installs, you just need to enter a title for the website if you don't already have it, and then the toolkit will suggest a username, password, and email for the admin account. And once you install everything, that should be it. Then to access the site builder, you just need to navigate to the interface through the domains and then just go into site builder, and then you can just build with SiteJet for the domain, and then just choose the template if you don't have one already. And once you've chosen the template and personalized everything, you just need to click the publish icon, which is this sort of blue rocket icon, and then that is pretty much it. After that, the system will redirect you back to the builder interface, and it will publish your design to the document's main root directory, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.